So how do you change your name of the iPhone instead of something like you might have now, like the iPhone 16, 17 Pro Max, whatever? How do you change that? Let me show it to you. But before we get started, ensure you are subscribed to this channel. You're not going to miss anything important. So go to your settings of the iPhone, tap on the General section, and then locate the About. Here at the top, you're going to see your device name, but you can easily tap on the X to delete the original one, type something in, and this is going to be the new name of your iPhone. Keep in mind that this name will be displayed when you are, for example, sharing something over AirDrop. It will be the name of your Wi-Fi network, or, if you create a personal hotspot on the iPhone, this is going to be the name of that network. So it has some more implications, but this is like generally the name of your iPhone, which you can change very easily. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot for watching, and let me know what you think about that below. I'll see you later in the future videos.